On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari All Progressive Congress don do Caucus meeting for Aso Rock, Abuja. National Caucus meeting of All Progressive Congress ishele for Aso Rock, Abuja, and e take before dem finish am, as this one na be the first one wey dem dey do after the 2019 elections wey shele for the country. People wey do the meeting na Presido Muhammadu Buhari, Vice Presido Yemi Osibanjo, presiding officers of National Assembly, members of National Working Committee, and other ogbonge people for the ruling party for the country. The people for the meeting talk how body take do them for the election win matter wey shele for the party, as them talk say this one na ogbonge win matter for them.
The APC is much more stronger, having regard to what we witnessed in Kogi and Bayelsa election. It's a clear indication that the APC is waxing stronger and stronger by the day. And come 2023, our performance will be much more better than the 2019 election, because there is a ray of hope in the horizon.
It's a very timely and a very good meeting. We discussed extensively on the issue of our party due process, so that we will be in strict compliance with the constitution of our party. And we are assuring Nigeria that APC is getting more stronger daily.
Just only a few days ago, the elections of Kogi State and Bayelsa was won. That's a mark of strength, and that shows that the party is still acceptable to our people, and the Nigerians are happy with the party. And I'm convinced that the party is more committed and more dedicated to help build a strong party that will deliver the dividends of democracy to Nigerians.
National chairman of the party, Comrade Oshiomhole, he talks at the meeting at Koko as the year don't almost finish, and he can't give Tory people better information until waiting shele for the meeting with the stakeholders with them do.
Our financial statements for previous years, the budget for next year, issues that arose during and after the election, and current outcome of various cases that went to court. And the one we won, the one we lost, and going forward, issues in some states where we have disagreement and how to resolve those disagreements. I think that is it. And it went very well.
Now here we see the ogbonge information reach on top with tori for today, as Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do Caucus meeting with All Progressive Congress stakeholders for Aso Rock, Abuja. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge and clear information, so na T Live Media na in the nakam dey give una. And for una to continue to get this ogbonge and clear information, una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now if you still follow us enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, as our website Denge-denge put for www.tlivemedia.com.